Sarah loved cookies, especially the ones with chocolate chips. Daniel, her best friend, adored gingerbread, with its spicy warmth and frosting buttons. They often dreamed of a world made of their favorite treats. One sunny afternoon, while baking with Daniel's grandma, they made a special wish. "I wish I was a giant chocolate chip cookie," giggled Sarah. "And I wish I was a mighty gingerbread," exclaimed Daniel. Suddenly, a sprinkle of magic dust sparkled from the sugar jar. Poof! Sarah felt herself shrink and grow round, covered in a delicious chocolate chips. Daniel felt himself stretch and stiffen, becoming a perfect spiced gingerbread man. "Wow!" Sarah squeaked, now a cookie. Daniel, a gingerbread man with a big smile, looked around. "We did it! We are cookie and gingerbread." The kitchen had grown enormous. They were surrounded by the mountains of flour, rivers of milk, and forests of candy canes. "This is amazing," whispered Sarah, trying to roll. "But how do we get out?" asked Daniel, looking at the towering edge of the counter. Sarah, with her round shape, had an idea. "Maybe I can roll and you can guide me?" Sarah rolled, and Daniel carefully pushed her, guiding her past a giant whisk and over a sugary hill. They worked together, a perfect team. They tumbled into a bowl of sprinkles as they got covered in a colorful dots. "This is the best adventure ever," shouted Sarah. Daniel helped Sarah out, and they found a tiny door glowing softly. "I wonder where it leads," said Daniel, pushing it open. Through the door, they saw their own kitchen back to its normal size, and there they were, Sarah and Daniel holding hands, no longer a cookie and a gingerbread man, but two happy friends. "This was amazing," said Sarah. "We learned that even when we are different, we can still have wonderful adventures together," added Daniel. From that day on, they knew that being themselves and being friends was the greatest magic of all.